Hello everyone, this is the second part of the LAMTTO 4-channel dashcam. This is the dashcam that has 4 cameras, 2 on the side, as you can see, 1 on the front and then 1 at the back. So this is what it looks like after it's installed. We have 2 cables connected to the dashcam. The one on the left is the camera from the back, and this is the power cable. So in order not to damage your screen, you have to use this clear plastic with adhesive on your windshield and connect your dash cam on it in order not to damage your screen. So as you can see all 4 views on the screen. The one on the left top is the front one, and this is the back, and on the bottom we have both side views. We have some buttons over here. This is the power button over here. This is this is the previous button menu. This is the next button. This is the enter button, and we have a mic resets. This is the reset, and this is the mic buttons over there. If we press into the menu, we have so many options here. We have Wi-Fi. If you open this Wi-Fi over here, you can connect it to the app on your phone, and this is the band selection, resolution, recording time, video sound, mirror for rear lens, mirror for left and right lens, screensaver, preview mode, and so many other menu options over here. In order to view one screen or one camera at a time, you just press one of those next or previous button. This is the front, this is the back, this is the right side, and this is the left side. So you are covered on all sides. And as I showed you on the previous video or on the previous parts of unboxing of this dashcam, those 2 cameras on the side, they can rotate 360 degrees like this, and they can also view back or front, wherever you want them to view. This one the same. And those 2 cables that you have seen connected to the dashcam are tacked in over here, and then all the way down to the power cable, and the other one is tacked in on the right side. As you can see, small parts out over here and through here all the way to the back. So that's the camera facing backwards. So this is what it looks like. So I also use the LAMTTO 11-inch 2026 CarPlay, but my car has actually every car has only one cigarette port, so we have this outside, so I can only use one at a time. If I use the CarPlay, I can't use the dashcam, and vice versa. So in order to mitigate this, I bought another accessory from Amazon. This is called Bestec. It's an adapter for the cigarette outlet. So I plug this into my car, and then I can use those 2 outlets for the CarPlay and for the dashcam. This way I can use both at the same time. And another thing, when you connect to the app, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi on the dashcam, so you can transfer footage from the dashcam to your phone without removing the SD card of the dashcam. That's very convenient, and it's really helpful. So this is what the dashcam looks like. I'm gonna attach or add some videos next to this while I'm driving on all sides, so that you can see the resolution for yourself. So that's it. This is an amazing product. Go for it. I really recommend it.